Hi guys, Elledani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this super easy natural makeup look. It only has a few steps and you can get through it in under 10 minutes typically. Only a few products, which are all cruelty-free. This is really my go-to when I don't have a ton of time but want a little bit of makeup. I do start the video with my skin clean and prepped. I do my whole skincare routine, which is, I think, about 5 steps, but it's very gentle and does absolute wonders for my skin. I've recently found the right combination of products that have made my skin absolutely godly to where I don't even need a ton of makeup. I don't have terrible skin anyways, but this really took it up to the next level. So there are a lot of lower coverage products in this video. The technique is definitely low coverage, but you can amp that up to whatever your skin may need. And also, if you want to see my skincare routine, please comment below and let me know. I also start, like I said, with my skin primed. This is one of my absolute favorite products. It is a facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Aloe, of course, is really good for your skin. It is hydrating and helps with like healing and things like that if you have any skin issues. Rose over time can also help the texture and the any redness and overall appearance of the skin. But this product you can use as a primer, as a setting spray, even like just as I'm heading out the door if I don't have makeup on, I'll throw this on and it gives my skin just a little bit of extra oomph where it looks a little bit nicer. Definitely sort of a skincare product. It's not really makeup, so it helps to improve your skin over time. So I did start with a few sprays of this, and I did already have lashes on because I had them on during the day and I didn't want to have to take the glue off just to put more lashes on. So once you get through with the face section of the video, you'll go straight to lashes before the mascara. But let's get started and let me show you what I do. So we are going to start with the NYX BB cream. BB cream is a beauty balm, so it's kind of like somewhere between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation, so it does have some good stuff in there for your skin. This beauty balm smooths, moisturizes, primes, and preps, and it's mineral infused. This was actually the first liquid makeup I tried in years. I have such sensitive skin that most of them make me break out, like within an hour or two, a lot of the heavier liquid makeup. So I've used mineral powder for a long time. The brand that's always been my go-to, I'm trying to get away from. So I wanted to try this. I also wanted to try like a lightweight liquid makeup. So when I started looking into different options, a beauty balm just seemed like one of the better choices for me. And I love NYX. Their products definitely tend to be okay on my skin. I haven't had a lot of problems with any NYX products. It is really lightweight. You don't need a lot, and I find it easiest to just like put a really light layer on my skin. I did clean my hands with alcohol before I even started this project to make sure they were super clean. A lot of people forget to blend, especially liquid makeup, down their neck, and they end up with a really defined line. So, especially this is so light, it blends down your neck really, really nice and easily. So once I have a thin layer on my face, it does look really natural. I was really happy with the finish and how light it feels. It really just feels like moisturizer on the face. And my color is BBCR02 Natural. I have a really hard skin tone to match, and a lot of things look either really orange or like weird and yellow or pale on me. So I was thrilled that on my first try, I picked this out. Next, I'm going to go into, we're going to use Tarte Shape Tape. No, I just got this recently. I got this on Tarte Shape Tape Day, which is just a couple of weeks ago, and I've really wanted to try it. I didn't realize that their parent company was actually not cruelty-free, which I really try to stay away from that and veer towards companies that are totally cruelty-free. And it's unfortunate because I do really love this product, but it's something that I will be using and then probably trying to find a good replacement for once it's gone. I don't really need a whole lot of coverage. This is mostly just for a little bit of brightening. I am also just using a normal makeup sponge because concealer is very new to me. This is what the girl that color matched me used. I kind of watched what she did and got a really good feel for that. I tried to use a beauty blender, and again, it really just soaked up a ton of product and left it really sparse, where this gives me a little bit more coverage. All I'm doing is putting a really tiny amount and blending it out. You can already see it just makes his eye look a little bit brighter and pop a little bit more. You can also put just like a tiny bit on your nose to highlight. And I don't do a ton, but just a little bit, and really blend that out so it doesn't stick out too much. And I always blend up through my bridge to kind of make it a little bit smoother. Then I'm going to go in with the setting powder and a kind of like just a medium, not super large brush. I start where the concealer was. Then I kind of just work all down my face. You don't need a whole lot. Also, which I forgot during this process, I'm going to put just a tiny bit of concealer. You really want to do this before your setting powder. I'm going to put just a tiny bit of concealer over any blemishes. And then blend those out. You want to blend these really well, but then the setting powder is going to help to really smooth it over so you can't really see them. This is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil, the original. I love this company. It's another one that I'm really just using up the product that I have because their parent company does test on animals where necessary. So as much as I love it, when this is gone, I'm looking for a replacement. From there, I'm going to go back in with my setting spray and just do a really light mist. Now, normally this is where I would go in and put lashes on. You can do eyeliner and lashes if you want. Because this is just supposed to be a super simple fresh-faced look, I am just going to do the mascara and lashes. Especially when you have really long, big lashes, whether that be fake or natural, you really want to try to do the bottom first so that when you start looking up to do your bottom lid, that you're not smearing makeup all over. Oh, and this was the Mile High Mascara. And this was featured, this was another product that came in the Allure box. I also add just a little bit of clear brow gel. It doesn't do a lot, but it does give them just a little bit of definition and a really nice shape just to your natural brow. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel. This again came in my December Allure box. The last product I go in with is either going to be a nice moisturizer or a clear gloss, or both. And that's it. It's that easy, and it literally could take you less than 10 minutes to do a really nice, natural, put together look without having to be over the top and without having to take a ton of time or a whole lot of products. Now, I have actually planned to do this really easy, natural video for a few days, which then something new came in the mail and I was kind of bummed out, because I would have liked to do something a little bit more extreme. I got a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream Duo from the new Sabrina line in the set Weird Sisters, which I am so excited about. I really love the show. I grew up watching the original Sabrina, and I thought that just took a really cool dark twist on it. Super excited for the new season, which I have not started yet. But anyway, so this is Transylvania, which this color is actually why I bought it. Let's see if we can get it to focus. And then the other one is Los Angeles, which this is sort of like a pinkish nude matte. So I'm going to swatch both of these. I'm going to go back in with alcohol on the top of my hand. I am a germaphobe, so I am super clean about things. The Transylvania is like a really nice, almost like blood wine with almost a purple hue, and then the other is like a nude pinkish color. I do have a couple of looks planned with these in a future video, so that will be coming really soon. And because I ordered these early enough, I got this really cool Sabrina makeup bag, which I spent like $12 on these two things and got a makeup bag too, so that's kind of a crazy deal, and it's surprisingly really well made and sturdy feeling. And I don't have a good makeup bag because they tend to get destroyed in my purse because there's so much in it. So those I'm really excited about. I have a couple of looks coming with those. If you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to learn more about the few products that were in the December Allure Beauty Box, definitely check out that video. Thanks for watching, guys.